Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how admin can update product details. Here you can see we have a button here, update. If I click here, there is nothing happening, so I'm going to actually go to the code editor here, and I will go to the resources and views, and inside admin we have view category, right? I mean view product. So we'll go for the view product, and here we have the button, and that is for the update. And here I'm going to give a route, so let's go give a route name. I will say route, and here I'll say the route name is admin dot, I'll say update product. And with the update product, actually I need to mention that product ID, I mean which product actually I want to update, right? So I'm going to copy this one, and I'm going to say a comma and then the product ID. So let's copy this route and let's go to the web.php here, and this is for the admin middleware, and here we are going to actually paste it. And this is the get route, so I'm going to actually copy this one and paste it here. And let's go there, cut it, change the name, paste it here, and here we are going to actually say update product. Update product. Here we have to mention the ID, right? Because we have passed the ID from the link. And then we have to go for the admin controller, and here we have delete product, so I'm going to actually change the function name to update product. So let's go create a function in the admin controller, app, then http, then controller, then admin controller, and here we have to actually create the function. Here I will say public function name, and here we have to actually pass the ID because we have passed an ID here. And here I'm going to say $product is equal to, I will say product model : find or fail method, and here I'm going to mention the ID. That's it. So this is the ID, product ID, and we are going to actually return this, return view, and the view will be inside admin folder, admin dot, I will say update product. So with the product value, so I will say compact method, and here I will say product variable. So we are actually assigning here specific product, so you can see compact product, and everything is all right here. Now let's go create a view inside admin folder. So here I'm going to create a view. The view name will be update product dot blade dot php. I'll actually copy everything from the add product because these are actually same. We just have to change a little, and we'll talk about this session later. I mean, we need to actually add this session here because we'll show the success method, I mean if it is updated successfully, right? Okay, so here you can see we have here input text, and here we have placeholder, right? Here I'm going to actually say value. I'll remove placeholder from here. So here you can see we have product category, so I have to actually go there and I have to actually mention, I mean fetch the product category, and I have to compact the product category also. I'll say $product, I'll say category, okay, category, category is equal to category : all. Okay, so I'm going to actually find all the category from here, and I'm going to compact it. So I'm going to actually say here product, comma category, category. Okay, now we will go to the view product, update product, and here you can see we have category also. So we are actually showing the category, and we are actually showing here all the, I mean the specific product also, right? So let's go add value in every single field here. I'm going to actually say here value. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually say here value here, and then I have text area here, and then we have here this option here. Okay, that's it. And here I'm going to actually add value, and the value would be a here you can see the, what can I say, we have actually compact from here, right? Product. Okay, so product, I'm going to say $product arrow sign, and now I will actually say here product title, product description, and so on. So let's go to the database, And here if I go to the structure in the products table, here you can see we have product title, so I'm going to copy it and let's go there and paste it here. I got it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually send here, I want to remove this from here. Okay, I don't need value here. I'm going to say old image. Okay, so I'm going to add a label or let's say an image field, and here I'm going to say $product then product image. Okay, and yeah, I forgot to mention here public folder also, because our all the images inside the public folder, right? So we have to actually say here asset function, and here we have to mention the folder name. So this is inside products, right? All the image inside products. Then I have to say slash, then dot, then product image. Okay, then we have to actually give here a the closing first parenthesis. Okay, all right, and here I'm going to add a label. I'll say here label, and I will say old image. Okay, and here I'm going to set in style so that the image looks little. So here I'm going to say width will be, let's say 100 pixel. So here, and now if admin wants to actually add one more file, then you can add. Okay, add new image here. Okay, I'll say new image here. Okay, I'll say here h1, I'll say old here. Okay, here I'm going to show the old category. So here I'm going to say product category, CATEGOR category, right? Let's go there, and here we have product category. Sorry, so we have to actually say here product category, so $product category, right? Yeah. So this is the old category, so I'm going to say here label old category, or yes, old category, let's say, and this one is the new category option. All right, and here we have to actually change the route name also, because I have actually copied it from the add product, right? Add category. So it will actually go for the admin post update product. Okay, update product. That's it. And here I will actually pass the product ID, because I need to know the product ID also, right? That for which product actually I want to update it. So here I'm going to say $product ID. So I'm passing here product ID also. So it will actually go for what? Admin post update product. So I'm going to copy this route. Let's go to the web.php, and here I'm going to add in the admin middleware, and this one would be a post route. So I'm going to copy a post route and paste it here. But in this case we have actually passed the ID also, right? So I'm going to say here ID. So it will go to the admin controller, and let's change the name to admin product to this. Okay, and now it will actually go for post update product. Okay, update product, and this one will be the function. So let's go create a function here, and we'll go there, and I'll say public function, then the function name, and here this is a post method, so we'll say here request, then a variable $request, comma the ID also. I will say $ID, because we have passed two things, right? One thing is this is a form, right? So we have to actually accept all the values. So this is the request for the form and post method, and we have the ID, so we have to actually pass here the ID also. Okay, so here I'm going to say $product is equal to, I'll say product : find or fail. Once again, here I'm going to pass the ID. So now I get the product ID. Now I'll update everything in the product table. So let's go copy everything from here. We have here product title, description, price, and image. Everything we need to actually copy it, right? Okay, so let's copy all from here, and I am going to actually paste it here. Okay, so we have so we have actually the specific product. Now we'll actually add everything for the specific product. So that's it. And here you can see that if we find any so basically we are in the update product, let's say, and from here actually we have the old product category, right? and here I'm going to say option, let's say, and here value would be this one, and it will show like this. Then we have this one. Okay, then we don't need to actually say here old. Okay, then admin controller, and then we have product category. Then here we'll say product category. Now let's check view product. So now let's say go for the update, and we have here web tech. If I click on update, it will be web tech, but let's say I want to update it to t-shirt, then now it will be t-shirt. Here you can see t-shirt. If I go there, now you can see it is t-shirt, right? Yeah. If I click on update, and now let's say I want to go for web tech, or let's say test CTZ, it will be test CTZ. Test CTZ. Now it's working perfectly, right? Okay. Okay guys, I made a mistake here. We shouldn't add here a value, right? Yeah. Now it will work. I'll go view product, and let's say here we'll change it to, let's say, update test to description, and update product, view product. Now it will be okay. Okay, so done. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.